What do we have here, guys? What do we have here? Yeah. So I'm in the shop right here, man. Okay. Doing a little outfit. Woohoo. Shop right now. They do have the new Samsung. I don't need to go to the Dubai Mall to get that. So yeah, that's a plus. Peace. Guys, ladies and gents, this is the new Samsung, as you can see, Galaxy S22 Ultra. What do we have here, babies? And I think we got the other one here as well. All right, we got a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and oh, we got them all here. Let me just zoom out to show you a little bit. All right. So what else do we have here? We got a Galaxy 22. The normal one, I'll say. Call it a normal one. We got all the colors right here. Can you see all the variants? I'm gonna zoom in real quick. So we got the gray. I think that's gray space or space gray. This look pink to me. Okay. Have a quick look. Let me zoom out. All right. I'm not gonna be talking too much about the product right now. Okay. I may stick some few information on screen for you guys, but I'll do the full unboxing another time. Okay, I'm pretty much sure that you have heard of this. This has the new S Pen. This comes with the S Pen. It's similar to the Note. I'm talking about the S22 Ultra. Yeah, you gotta get used to that, especially if you're a Note lover. So yeah, from Dubai. Hey, give me a second. Let me find out what's the name of the shop. What's the name of the shop?
Communication World.
Communication Works. Well. Communication World. I'm gonna take his business card and I'll film it. So when you guys are down at Data, you can come to the shop, right? This is what the shop looks like. That's his business card. They do wholesale of all these beautiful phones. You do wholesales, right? People can come and buy in bulk, right? Yeah, so they do wholesale. If you're on it, they got it. You been here?
27 years the shop.
Okay.
27 years old.
Okay, so what's the name of the shop already?
Communication World LLC Al Baraha Umar bin Khattab Road.
Okay, that's the correct address. That's the correct name of the shop. You guys want to visit him when you come here. They got all the latest. You can see the 22 is just out a couple of days. And they already got it here. And this is the real phone. Let me just show you. This is the real phone. It's not plastic. It's not a dummy. This is the real deal. I'm just telling you. All right. Boom. All right. Just showing you a little sound. Okay. Boom. Okay. That's it. So this is what's up here. Check it out. The phone is pretty smooth. Very, very smooth. I'm telling you right now. Very, very nice. You can grab your picture. It's very hard because I'm doing this with one hand. Anyway, let me just show you the hardware quickly. It's pretty dope. Right? I like it. And it's very light. This one, the 22 Plus, S22 Plus is pretty light. It's very light. Alright? The quality, build quality is also cool. Let me see this one. Oh, this is more glass fill. Yeah, I don't know if it's plastic at the back, but yeah, let me just show you a little bit. Right, sorry about that. I already told you I'm using one hand to do this, so a little bit hard. What else do we have here? I'll show you the pictures. The photo quality is pretty dope as well. Okay. Let's see the back of the phone real quick. So I'm just showing you the hardware. I hope you can appreciate the color. The color is pretty dope. I can tell you that much. Yeah, this is dope. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yeah, these phones, right, feels very light compared to the S22 Ultra. You understand what I'm saying to you? These feel these ones right here, the normal S22 compared to the Ultra. This is the feel of the Note. I'm filming right now with the Note. I can tell you it's the same quality, it's the same thing. There's no a huge difference. All right, ladies and gents, I'm out of here. Hits from Dubai. So, ladies and gents, boys and girls, if this was helpful, all right, let me just show you a little bit more. If this was helpful, make sure to drop loads of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. So, as usual, keep it safe, keep it lit, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it, people. Bang, bang. Peace out. Yeah.